so this sucks. I gotta do this Radial tire repair kit to try to save it. They don't have a tire service here, but from that previous, it's right here and it's losing too much. So it says to get this one first, right? Remove embedded object from tire. There's nothing in there. Insert the rasp tool into the hole and slide up and down to texture and clean the inside of the puncture. Place a generous coat of tire sealant on the needle tool and slide up and down in the puncture hole. Coat a repair string with the tire sealant and place in the eye of the needle. Insert the needle with the repair string into the puncture until 1/3 is remaining visible. Pull needle straight out with a quick pull. Do not twist needle. Cut off excess repair string and refill tire. Dang it. Let's do it. So hopefully there's where is it? Oh wait, no, I think that piece of thing is still in there. Yeah. That son of a gun is still in there. I need some pinzas now.
Mira, wow, dame unas pinzas. Y me trajeron unas niñas. Unas niñas, me dieron unas niñas. Dos viras.
It's a little headache. Wonder how long is it gonna take me. I've never done this before. Okay, but I see it. Now I need some pinzas. Alright, I got this guy. Hopefully this guy's good enough. Now I need a... Oh man, did I leave the other tool? I left the other tool. On, don't go. Okay. Please don't leak. Please be repaired. Where's it at? Okay. I'm gonna cut off the excess with. Look at me trying to get out of here. I'm filling it up with one hand. I'm gonna cut off the excess with this hand. Oh. Oh man, I got all that junk on there. That worked though. I don't see your coming out no more. Where's the culprit? Here you are. I'm gonna put you in a frame. We're gonna frame you, making my life difficult. Making me bleed my own blood. Yeah, that other one said that self-inflating inflated tire goop stuff that they sell says not recommended for tires larger than 15 inches. Alright, so there. I'm gonna leave it at 98 psi. And this is going to be for another rainy day. Then in case emergency funds. My emergency kit. I got that stuff everywhere. Put everything back. Oh man, I left my gloves in there. Yeah, oh, let me release the air. All right. Two back on. Start winding up. Drag it on the floor. All that nasty stuff. That's on the ground. I'm just gonna go back inside and wash me up. Okay. This video serves as a purpose for me to get reimbursed. Oh man. How much is that worth? Wait, do I got that? I got this stuff, but I want to go inside and wash my hands. I got this stuff, see? You know what, I'm gonna take some with me and go to the restroom. Hopefully someone learned something. That was like $6 for the repair kit. Good? Done bitching? Oh, the gas. I'll remember you. Oh, wait. All right. Travel center. Thank you very much. And best. Are you leaking? Are you acting right? I got that little needle, right? How to repair a 18 wheel tire in 46 minutes. Oh. Minus the time that it took me to go to the store and go to the restroom. Sorry. That was a good 30-minute break / tire repair. Oh man. Man, let me get some water. How to repair a trailer tire if you really want to. If you really need to, it could be done with one of those things. How long is it gonna last? I don't know. Oh, it lasts me at least till the truck stops, the next truck stop. And I'm heavy. Those other tires got cooking. So one tire fails. One tire is under pressure. It puts extra load on every other tire. I think I fixed that because my luck would have it randomly the weigh station could be open. Oh no, I put driving. I should have put off duty. Whoa, off duty ag exempt. But that's all right. Plenty of time. I'm loaded.